Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Palak Paneer with baby spinach. First, gather your ingredients, including 10 ounces of fresh baby spinach and 8 ounces of paneer cheese. Next, blanch the spinach in boiling water for about 2 minutes, then quickly transfer it to an ice bath to preserve its vibrant green color. Finally, blend the cooled spinach with a small amount of water until it forms a smooth, bright green puree. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious dish. Now, let's build the flavor base for our Palak Paneer. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until its aromatic fragrance fills your kitchen. This step is crucial for developing a rich and deep flavor. Next, we'll bring all the delicious elements together. Add 1 chopped tomato to the pan and cook it down until it softens, which should take around 3 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Finally, pour in your vibrant spinach puree and let it simmer gently for 5 minutes, allowing all the spices and vegetables to meld into a harmonious curry. To finish our easy Palak Paneer, gently add the cubed paneer cheese to the simmering spinach curry. Cook for just 2 minutes, allowing the paneer to warm through and absorb some of the delicious flavors without becoming tough. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh cream for a touch of richness and a beautifully smooth texture. Serve your homemade Palak Paneer hot with naan or rice. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.